planet's most overlooked natural remedy. Think about it. How often have you reached for baking soda for baking or cleaning, never considering its vast array of other capabilities? Imagine if I revealed that this simple white powder holds a long legacy of surprising applications, some capable of truly transforming how you view your well-being. What benefits are we collectively missing out on? And why is the genuine efficacy of baking soda so rarely discussed? In this video, we'll unveil the incredible wellness advantages of baking soda that few people realize. Plus, I'll cover important safety tips and specify exactly who should use caution with baking soda. If improving your health is a priority and you want to make informed choices, you absolutely need to watch this. Welcome if you're new here. Before we dive deep into the surprising health perks of baking soda, let's get started. Please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you won't miss our upcoming content. And to see if you're following along right now, I'd like you to participate. If this information connects with you, leave a 1 in the comments below. If it doesn't, type 0. We're genuinely excited to support you on your path to better health, starting today. Oh, and share your country in the comments too. We love seeing where our viewers are tuning in from. It's always a pleasure to hear from you. All right, let's begin. Unpacking the remarkable health benefits linked to baking soda. Also, supports internal cleansing. Kicking things off, baking soda offers benefits far beyond cooking and cleaning. It's often praised for its potential to support the body's own cleansing systems. Because it turns alkaline in water, baking soda can assist in neutralizing acids, both internally and externally. Baking soda soaks are commonly used to calm minor skin irritations, reduce itchiness, and soothe inflamed areas. Submerging yourself in a baking soda mixture is believed to help draw out toxins, potentially leaving your body more balanced and your skin feeling refreshed. While strong scientific evidence specifically for skin detoxification this way is limited, numerous individuals report significant relief and comfort. What happens inside is even more compelling. Some wellness advocates suggest that consuming a small amount of baking soda dissolved in water can help alkalize blood and urine, supporting the body's efficiency in clearing waste. There's scientific support for this, especially concerning certain health conditions. For example, sodium bicarbonate supplements have been shown to slow the advancement of chronic kidney disease by decreasing acid buildup in the blood. A study cited in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology suggests that baking soda, under medical guidance, could boost the body's natural cleansing functions, particularly for individuals needing help managing acidity. Remember, your body is naturally skilled at maintaining pH balance, and drastic diet shifts are difficult. Using too much baking soda can lead to unwanted effects, so moderation is key. Used correctly, baking soda provides a gentle, budget-friendly approach to potentially assist your body's inherent detoxification methods and leave you feeling revitalized. The boosts teeth whitening and oral health. There's a clear reason baking soda features in numerous toothpastes and DIY dental fixes. It serves as a potent aid for brightening smiles and enhancing overall dental wellness. You've likely experienced how exceptionally clean and smooth your teeth feel after lightly brushing with a bit of baking soda. This sensation comes from baking soda acting as a mild abrasive, helping lift away surface discoloration caused by beverages like tea or coffee and certain foods that can dull your smile. When applied properly, baking soda's fine texture gently polishes teeth without causing significant harm, unlike more aggressive whitening treatments. However, the advantages extend past a brighter appearance. Baking soda's alkaline nature helps counteract acids present in your mouth. This is vital because acidic environments are breeding grounds for harmful microbes linked to gum issues, decay, and bad breath. By restoring pH equilibrium in your mouth, baking soda makes conditions less favorable for undesirable bacteria, leading to healthier gums and fresher breath. These claims are supported by research. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry found that toothpastes containing baking soda were considerably more effective at polishing teeth and removing plaque than those without. Another study indicated that baking soda can improve oral well-being by reducing the population of harmful germs in the mouth. But using caution is important. Due to its abrasive quality, excessive or vigorous brushing with a baking soda can gradually wear down tooth enamel. Dentists recommend using it sparingly, perhaps only a few times weekly, and always with a soft toothbrush. Employed correctly, baking soda offers a fast, economical, and simple way to achieve a cleaner, whiter, and healthier smile right at home. Provides relief from indigestion. Many individuals suffer from indigestion, a frequent and often bothersome symptom, particularly after consuming rich or heavily spiced meals. Typically caused by stomach acid flowing back into the esophagus, acid reflux, it often begins as a burning feeling in the upper abdomen and can travel upwards into the throat. Factors like pregnancy, weight gain, and specific medical conditions like eosinophilic esophagitis or achalasia can further increase the risk of indigestion. While a multitude of commercial antacids are available, a quick and straightforward remedy might be found in your kitchen cupboard. A proven method for quickly alleviating indigestion is dissolving a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and slowly sipping it. The science behind this is simple. Baking soda is alkaline, so it helps neutralize the surplus stomach acid causing the burning sensation. This reaction has been a staple home remedy for years, providing nearly instant ease. Indeed, sodium bicarbonate is recognized by the medical community as a rapid-acting antacid. A review in the journal Gastroenterology and Hepatology noted its effectiveness for promptly relieving occasional heartburn. The procedure is easy to carry out and understand. No expensive products or pharmacy trips needed. All you need for comfort is a glass of water, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a few moments. This simple fix is one reason baking soda remains a valued household item. For anyone seeking immediate, reliable relief from heartburn, this everyday kitchen ingredient can make a significant difference, allowing you to comfortably get back to your day. Possesses antifungal properties. Fungal infections are a common annoyance, appearing as itchy, red, or peeling patches on the skin. Issues like ringworm, athlete's foot, and similar conditions are caused by fungi that flourish in damp settings, especially in warm, humid spots like the feet. While many over-the-counter creams and sprays exist, baking soda offers a straightforward, natural option readily available in your kitchen. This common household item possesses powerful antifungal qualities thanks to its ability to alter the conditions fungi need to grow. Baking soda creates an alkaline environment on the skin, which weakens fungal cell walls, making it tougher for the fungi to survive and spread. This is more than just a traditional remedy used for generations. There's scientific backing. A study published in the journal Mycopathologia showed that a solution containing 10 grams of baking soda per liter was able to inhibit the growth of 80% of the fungal strains tested. This impressive result highlights baking soda's potential as a natural agent against fungi. A basic treatment for athlete's foot involves applying a paste of baking soda and water directly to affected areas or mixing it into a foot soak. Many individuals notice reduced itching and discomfort after just a few applications. It's also an excellent choice for those wanting to avoid harsh chemicals, as it's non-toxic and soothing. This accessible and affordable treatment provides a practical solution for anyone struggling with persistent fungal infections, helping restore comfort and confidence in daily life. Bori may help relieve symptoms of UTIs. Urinary tract infections, or UTIs, are a prevalent and often agonizing issue, particularly for women. The burning sensation during urination, frequent urge to go, and general discomfort can make daily life challenging. While antibiotics are the standard treatment path, some people look for natural approaches to ease symptoms and support healing, and baking soda is one option that has gained attention. The concept behind using baking soda for UTIs centers on its acid neutralizing capability. When added to water and consumed in small quantities, baking soda can make urine less acidic. This shift in pH might create an environment less favorable for the bacteria responsible for UTIs, potentially helping the body combat the infection. Additionally, less acidic urine may lessen the burning feeling that causes so much distress with UTIs. Some scientific data supports this approach. In research published in the Japanese Journal of Urology, 33 women experiencing recurring urinary tract infections were given sodium bicarbonate. Many participants reported significant improvement in their symptoms after 4 weeks, including less pain and discomfort when urinating. While these findings are encouraging, it's crucial to remember that baking soda should not replace medical treatment for UTIs, especially in severe cases. For individuals seeking extra symptom relief alongside prescribed treatment, baking soda could be a gentle, cost-effective aid for discomfort. However, remember that serious or persistent UTI symptoms require immediate medical attention. Baking soda can be a useful addition to your self-care tools for supporting urinary comfort and well-being when used appropriately. Mamayan can address canker sores. If you've ever felt the sharp sting of a canker sore, you know how disruptive these small mouth ulcers can be. The good news? Baking soda might be the simple, inexpensive remedy you have been searching for. These sores, also known as Aphthous ulcers, are often triggered by stress, minor mouth injuries, or even specific foods. They can make eating, drinking, and even speaking uncomfortable. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is effective here because of its unique ability to neutralize oral acids and establish a more balanced pH environment. This is important because an acidic setting can worsen discomfort and slow recovery. By rinsing your mouth with a mixture of baking soda and water, typically half a teaspoon in a glass of warm water, you can reduce inflammation, soothe pain, and potentially speed up the healing process. But don't just take my word for it. Science backs this up. A study featured in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that sodium bicarbonate mouthwashes significantly reduced discomfort and accelerated healing in patients with recurring aphthous stomatitis. Researchers noted that baking soda's mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties help keep the sore clean and inhibit bacterial growth, both crucial for healing. Furthermore, baking soda is gentle and unlikely to aggravate the condition further than some over-the-counter options. The next time you feel a canker sore beginning, try a simple baking soda rinse. It's a natural, scientifically supported method you can use at home to find relief and promote oral wellness. Enhances physical performance. Did you know that a simple kitchen ingredient could provide a notable advantage in your fitness routine? Yes, baking soda can be used for more than cleaning or baking. Athletes sometimes use it as a secret tool to fight muscle fatigue and boost exercise capacity. Here's how it works. During intense physical activity, your muscles produce lactic acid, which lowers pH and causes that familiar burning sensation. This acidity is a primary contributor to muscle fatigue, often causing you to stop before you're truly ready. Sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda, acts as a natural buffering agent. When taken before exercise, it helps balance out the excess acid in your muscles, potentially allowing you to work harder and for a longer duration. This isn't just anecdotal fitness wisdom, though. It rests on solid scientific ground. A comprehensive review of multiple studies published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research showed that supplementing with sodium bicarbonate significantly boosted performance in short-duration, high-intensity exercises like cycling, swimming, and sprinting. The researchers concluded that athletes who consume baking soda could sustain peak performance for longer periods and experience a delayed onset of exhaustion. Athletes typically mix a teaspoon of baking soda with water and consume it 60 to 90 minutes before training. However, starting with small amounts is essential, as too much can lead to digestive issues like nausea or bloating. If you're seeking a natural, research-backed way to improve your stamina and get the most out of your workouts, baking soda might be worth exploring. But before incorporating it into your regimen, especially if you have any existing health conditions, remember to consult a healthcare professional. Give it a try and see if it makes a difference in your next exercise session. Mama may assist in supporting kidney function. Imagine if something as straightforward as baking soda could help nurture and safeguard your kidneys, particularly if you live with chronic kidney disease, or CKD. In many individuals with CKD, metabolic acidosis occurs when the kidneys struggle to adequately remove acid from the blood. This excessive acid buildup can negatively impact overall health and accelerate the progression of kidney problems. This is where sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda, can play a role. It acts as a natural buffer, helping to rebalance the acid levels in your bloodstream. By reducing blood acidity, baking soda can potentially lessen the burden on your kidneys and perhaps even slow the advancement of kidney deterioration. This isn't just a folk remedy, there's real science behind it. A landmark study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology involved patients with severe chronic kidney disease and metabolic acidosis. Researchers found that those who took daily sodium bicarbonate tablets experienced a much slower decline in kidney function compared to those who did not. The group using baking soda actually had a lower risk of reaching end-stage renal disease and requiring dialysis. The study also noted improvements in blood bicarbonate levels, a key indicator of the body's acid-base balance. Naturally, it's vital to remember that baking soda is not a miracle cure and should never be used without a doctor's consent. Consuming too much, especially for individuals with heart or kidney conditions, can lead to complications like elevated blood pressure or fluid retention. If you or someone you know has chronic kidney disease, consult a healthcare provider before considering baking soda as a supplement. When used correctly and under supervision, this common kitchen item may hold surprising potential for kidney health and quality of life. ON can ease discomfort associated with arthritis. Visualize finding relief from arthritis pain using baking soda, a common item possibly already in your kitchen. Rheumatoid arthritis in particular is marked by ongoing inflammation causing joint pain, swelling, and stiffness, which can severely hinder daily activities. While most individuals seek relief through medication and physical therapy, emerging research suggests baking soda might offer a practical and safe alternative. The science supporting this is both intriguing and promising. A 2018 study featured in the Journal of Immunology suggested that consuming a daily solution of baking soda in water could influence the body's immune response. According to the research, sodium bicarbonate helps trigger the body's anti-inflammatory responses while also calming the autoimmune activity that drives conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. The study observed a noticeable reduction in inflammatory markers in both human and animal subjects, and the balance of immune cells shifted towards a less inflammatory state. This implies that baking soda might help soothe the immune system and reduce joint discomfort and swelling, major challenges for those with arthritis. This research opens up encouraging possibilities for people living with arthritis. Simply adding a baking soda drink or rinse to your daily routine might potentially help reduce inflammation and enhance joint comfort. It's encouraging and inspiring to consider that such an ordinary household item could aid in reducing arthritis pain. Although more studies are required to fully grasp the long-term benefits, it serves as a reminder that sometimes the most effective solutions are the most straightforward, and helps manage symptoms of gout. Gout, a particularly painful form of arthritis, typically affects the big toe or other joints and is characterized by sudden intense pain, redness, and swelling. The root cause is an accumulation of uric acid in the blood, which triggers inflammation and the formation of sharp crystals in the joints. Managing gout often requires finding ways to lower uric acid levels and alleviate the resulting pain. This is where sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda, can serve as a remarkably effective home treatment. Because baking soda is alkaline, it can help counteract excessive uric acid in the blood, reducing the likelihood of those painful crystals forming. By helping to restore a more balanced pH, baking soda may reduce the frequency and severity of gout flare-ups. Alkalinizing agents like sodium bicarbonate can indeed aid in dissolving uric acid crystals and encouraging their removal via urine, providing relief during acute gout symptoms. A study published in the journal Arthritis and Rheumatism noted that during a flare-up, many individuals find that drinking a glass of water mixed with half a teaspoon of baking soda helps lessen discomfort. Beyond pain relief, baking soda may also decrease joint inflammation, which would facilitate easier and less painful movement. Baking soda can be a valuable tool in your gout management strategy, but it's crucial to remember to always use it under the guidance of a healthcare provider. This ensures you receive the benefits without risking any complications. So if you are looking for a natural, scientifically supported method to help control gout symptoms, baking soda from your kitchen cabinet might be the straightforward answer you need. Reduces cold and flu symptoms. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by symptoms like a raw throat, blocked nose, and persistent congestion when cold and flu season arrives. However, did you know that baking soda, an uncomplicated and budget-friendly pantry item, can be a powerful partner in your fight against these common illnesses? Baking soda's inherent alkaline properties can help break down thick mucus, making nasal passages easier to clear and improving breathing. This is particularly useful if you have a constantly running or blocked nose. One of the most effective uses of baking soda for colds and flu is gargling. Combining half a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of warm water creates a soothing remedy that helps ease a sore, inflamed throat. Besides providing comfort, gargling with this mix helps decrease the amount of bacteria and germs in your throat and mouth, making it harder for viruses to thrive. In fact, according to research published in the Journal of the American Dental Association, regular gargling with a baking soda solution can significantly reduce throat discomfort and microbial load, supporting a faster recovery from upper respiratory infections. To further aid in clearing congestion, baking soda can be incorporated into saline nasal rinses. By neutralizing acids and breaking down mucus, it fortifies your body's natural defenses and speeds up your recovery. So, the next time you're feeling unwell, consider reaching for some baking soda. It's a gentle, scientifically backed treatment that can make a real difference in how quickly you bounce back from colds and the flu, proving that sometimes the best remedies are right in your own kitchen. May improve certain cancer therapies. While it might seem improbable, the scientific community is showing increasing interest in the potential role of baking soda in supporting cancer treatment. Acidic environments are known to encourage the spread of cancer cells and can also enhance their resistance to certain treatments. Due to its natural alkalizing abilities, baking soda has been investigated for its capacity to modify the pH around tumor cells, potentially making conditions less favorable for cancer to spread. One of the most compelling studies on this topic was published in the journal Cancer Research in 2009. Researchers found that injecting mice with metastatic breast cancer with sodium bicarbonate considerably decreased the acidity of the tumor environment. This pH change hindered the cancer's metastasis and made the tumor cells more receptive to chemotherapy. The findings suggest that baking soda might enhance the effectiveness of conventional cancer treatments by counteracting the acidic microenvironment. To potentially improve patient outcomes, researchers are now exploring whether antacids like baking soda can be safely used alongside chemotherapy or other treatments. It's crucial to emphasize, however, that this research is still in early stages. While results in animal models are promising, more human clinical trials are necessary before baking soda could be recommended as part of a standard cancer therapy plan. Baking soda should be viewed as a potential tool that might eventually complement existing medicines, rather than a standalone cure. Always get advice from your medical team before trying any new supplements or treatments if you or a loved one is undergoing cancer treatment. Acts as a natural deodorant. If you're seeking a quick, all-natural method to stay feeling fresh throughout the day, baking soda might be exactly what you've been looking for. Unlike many store-bought deodorants that contain chemicals and artificial scents, baking soda offers a simple, effective alternative straight from your kitchen. Its secret lies in its ability to both absorb excess moisture and neutralize the acidic compounds in sweat that lead to body odor. This creates an environment that makes it difficult for odor-causing microbes to thrive, keeping you smelling clean even on your busiest days. Baking soda's effectiveness as a natural deodorant isn't just based on personal accounts, it's scientifically supported. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology revealed that sodium bicarbonate, when applied topically, significantly reduced underarm odor. The researchers concluded that baking soda's alkaline characteristics effectively minimize offensive odors by neutralizing the acids produced by bacteria and perspiration. Additionally, baking soda is free from parabens, aluminum, and synthetic fragrances, making it a fantastic option for individuals with sensitive skin or anyone looking to avoid harsh chemicals. Using baking soda as a deodorant is straightforward. Simply sprinkle a small amount under your arms for moisture absorption, either by itself or mixed with a little coconut oil. You'll likely find it keeps you feeling clean and dry, even in hot weather or during workouts. Baking soda remains a popular option for those seeking a natural, eco-friendly approach to personal care. While everyone's skin is different and some testing for sensitivity may be needed, try baking soda if you're ready to move away from chemical-laden products. It's a simple, research-backed way to stay confidently fresh all day. Who needs to take caution? While baking soda offers many impressive health benefits, it's vital to understand that it's not suitable for everyone. Certain individuals should exercise significant caution, particularly when considering larger doses or frequent use. whether taken internally or applied externally. For instance, people with existing kidney problems must be extra careful due to baking soda's sodium content. For those with impaired kidney function, flushing out excess sodium can be challenging, potentially leading to fluid retention and other issues. Individuals managing high blood pressure should also be cautious. Since baking soda's sodium concentration can elevate blood pressure levels, it poses risk for people already treating hypertension. Similarly, anyone with gastrointestinal conditions like gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux should consult a healthcare provider before using it, as baking soda can alter stomach pH and possibly worsen these issues. Another group who should use baking soda cautiously are pregnant or breastfeeding women. Excessive consumption could disrupt the body's electrolyte balance, which might affect both the mother and the developing child. Furthermore, it's wise to begin with a minimal amount of baking soda, as individuals with known allergies or sensitivities might experience skin irritation or digestive upset. Lastly, inhaling baking soda powder can irritate the airways, aggravating respiratory conditions. Therefore, individuals with breathing difficulties should avoid breathing it in. In every situation, moderation and proper guidance are paramount. If you fall into any of these categories or have underlying medical concerns, it is highly advisable to discuss with a healthcare professional before integrating baking soda into your regular health routine. As you can see, baking soda is far more than just a basic household ingredient. It's a potent and versatile tool that can support your well-being in numerous surprising ways. Its advantages, spanning from helping with gout to easing sore throats and even boosting athletic performance, are backed by both scientific study and traditional practice. However, remember to use baking soda thoughtfully and seek medical advice if you have any concerns. Do you have any personal tips to share? Or have you experimented with using baking soda for any of these applications? Leave a comment below with your questions and experiences. We enjoy hearing from our community. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with others if you found it informative. We truly value your support and interest in our channel. We've selected 2 videos just for you to continue your learning journey. Click on one of them, and we'll see you there.